Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today let us do the part 3 of the logarithmic functions. So here how to solve for x. So now here it's given 3 raised to x, that is 47. So here what we can do here, we'll take log on both sides. This is 3 raised to x, so base we'll use as 3. Here again this will be for this one log of 47 to the base 3. So by logarithmic property what we can see, this is the property log of a raised to b to the base a, that is b. So this is the property. So now how will you do this one on the based on this property? So you will write this b. So this x is going to be here. So log of 3 to the base 3, that is what you are going to write here. Same thing over here. So because this, whenever this we have log, so whatever is in the exponent that goes over here. So we can write here x log of 3 to the base 3 is 1. So now what we can do here, you can see this log of 3 to the base 3. So whenever we have this both the numbers same, so that is going to be 1. So this whole part is going to be 1. So just what remains here is x. So now what we can write here, this is the same. So this x, the value of approximate value of this one, value this whatever, you have to check this one log of 47 to the base 3. So you check it on your calc, you get the answer 3.505. So the next one, 4 raised to x minus 1 is 32. So same, we will take log on both the sides. So log of 4 raised to x minus 1 is log of 32. So now this what we can do, now this is the exponent, so this will go on this side, so this will be here, and log of 4 as it is, this as it is. So now what will you do, x minus 1 you will keep on the left hand side, this is same on the same side, this is actually there is multiplication, so it goes on the other side, that is going to get divided. So now what will you do here, x, so this is minus 1, you are going to take it on this side, that will be plus 1, and this will be the same. So now what you can do here, the x is, now when you take the log of 32 divided by log of 4, so the answer is going to be 2.5. You can just check on your calc, and this is plus 1. So here 2.5 plus 1, that is going to be 3.5. So the value of x is 3.5. Now look at here, 80 into 2 raised to x by 3 is 350. So what we can do here, this is 2, x raised to 2 by 3 we will take here. This is 350 and this is multiplied, this is sign, this 80 will go on the other side, that will get divided. So 2 raised to x by 3, that is 35, this and this gets cancelled, 35 by 8. So now this is the exponent, x raised to 3, that will be, when you take the log of it, that is going to be log of 35 by 8, this 2 will go in the base. So what we can do, we just want x, so x is going to be, this is in the denominator, so when it changes the side, it is going to go in the numerator, and this all is going to be the same. So now this value of x, this 3 the same, so when you check with this on the calc here, this value of this one, so that will be 2.13. So x value is, when you multiply this into this, you get 6.39. Now the next one, x raised to 3 is equal to 70. So this, what we can do here, this is the exponent, so this will go here. So 3 log of this x, so log of both the side we are going to take log. So this also is going to be log of 70. So now what we'll do, this log of x will keep on side, and this 3 will take on the other side. So this is going to get divided, and this is going to be the same. So what will be x? X will be, this what we can do here, we can just write here 10 log of 70 to the base 3. So what we can do, when you check with this value, so you get here x is, so sorry for this one, this will be, yeah, because there is a base over here, this there should be a base here 10, so that will be 10 log of 70 to the base So that will be 4.12. So now next one, 3 raised to 2x is equal to 2 into x minus 3. So here what are you going to do here? Log of 3 raised to 2x is equal to log of 2 raised to x minus 3. So now this will be here. So that is going to be 2x log of 3 is equal to x minus 3, that will be log of 2. So this will be 2x log of 3, and this what we can do here, this into this and this into this one, this is the whole part. So that will be x log of 2 minus here minus 3 log of 2. So now what will you do here again for this one? 2x log of 3, and this is x log of 2, you will take it on the left hand side along with this x, and this minus 3 log of 2 you will keep it on the right hand side. So now what we can do from this both, this is one term, this is the other part you can say. So we can take x common, so x will be here. So what remains for the first one is this one, and from here x is over here, so it is going to be log of 2, and this will be minus 3 log of 2. So here the value of x is, this will be in the numerator, this will be as it is, and this is multiplication, so this whole part goes in the denominator. So when you check the value of this one, this whole part, you will get minus 1.383. So now again here, 1 by 2, 5 raised to 4x is equal to 7 into 4 raised to x minus 2. So if you take the log, rest all is going to be the same, extra is log over here, rest all is the same. So now what we can do, this is actually multiplication. So 1 by 2 into 5 raised to 4x. So what you get, whenever there is a multiplication in log, you add it. So you will add this one, log of 1 by 2 plus log of this 5 raised to 4x. Same over here, this is multiplication over here. So log of 7 plus log of 4 raised to x minus 2. So now what we can do, this log of 1 by 2 will keep as it is. This, wherever it is exponent, it will go on this side, and this is going to be the same. Again, this you are going to keep the same. This is in the exponent, so this will go over here, that will be x minus 2, and this is going to be same. So now what you can write here, this same. So further what we can do here, because this is x minus 2, so this into this and this into this. So what is that going to be? X into log of 4. So x into log of 4, and this is minus 2 log of 4, minus 2 log of 4. So now what we can do here, we will take this x. So this plus x will go on this side, so that is going to be minus log of 4. So now this will be same. Again, what we can do here, this also you will keep here, and this thing will go on the right hand side, that is going to be minus log of 1 by 2. So now from this one, from this both, what we can see, the x is common. So x will go out. So what remains is here, x here will be 4 log of 5, and this is minus sign. So here x is gone over here, so log of 4. So for this one, this will be same here. Again from here, this all is the same. So now we want the value of x, this one, this is multiplication. This whole part will be in the numerator, and this will go in the denominator. So when you check with this one, the answer, it should be minus 0.026. So this is the answer. So then by this one we have completed today's work. Please do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of the other parts. Thank you.